They say that long ago, in the heart of the Balkans, there ruled a powerful sovereign, the Black Queen. No one knew her true name. Legend says she was breathtakingly beautiful, but also terrifying. With eyes that glowed like embers, and a black cloak flowing all the way to the ground. She ruled over fortresses on the mountain peaks, always hidden in mist and storms. They say she rode only at night, on a black horse through forests and ravines. Behind her, only wind and silence remained. Some say she defended the poor and the oppressed, giving them gold seized from her enemies. But others believe she was cruel, and that the villages which dared defy her vanished in flames. They say she made a pact with fairies and the dark powers of the forest. Her fortresses stood unbroken. Enemy armies vanished before her walls, as if the earth itself devoured them. What truly captured people's imagination was her treasure. Whoever set out to find it never returned. For many believe the Black Queen still guards it to this day. Even today, the old ruins in the mountains whisper her name. They say when storms cover the sky and the wind howls through the forest, you can hear the gallop of her horse and the rustle of her black cloak. No one knows if she was real or just born of fear and imagination, but the legend still lives, and maybe, somewhere in the darkness, the treasure still waits for the one bold enough to seek it.